quantifiers tell us whether a predicate is true for all objects or for at least one object in the domain. So here, this symbol here, so this symbol means for all. And so when we say something like for all, we say for all x, p of x is true, this will be true if the proposition p of x is true for every object in the domain. So that means that the way we wrote it here, p of a is true for every a in the domain, right? And the other symbol is this sort of inverted e, which means there exists. There exists. And so there exists a p of x. This will be true if and only if there is some object a for which p of a is true, right? So maybe the simplest way is to see a quick example. So if you take e of x to be the statement that x is even, and let's say that our domain are going to be the integers, then it is true that there exists an x such that e of x. So this will be true. Why? Because e of 2 is true, and since there exists an integer such that e of x is true, then there exists an integer such that it's true. That's what this means. But it will not be true that for every integer, that integer is even. This will be false. Why? This will be false because if you take e of 1 is not even. It's false.